I don't know what I didn't record, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't know what I recorded. But when I looked down at the phone, it wasn't recording. I mashed the button to stop it and it started recording, so I might have missed out. But anyway, this is my citrus. I got some that I just picked, and I got some that I ain't quite ready yet. And I probably got some I missed. But I appreciate y'all stopping by the channel, GrowingWhat-I-eat. And I'm gonna try to get better at recording and making videos so I can help y'all and y'all can help me. Y'all take care. Peace and blessings. GrowingWhat-I-eat. GrowingWhat-I-eat. This is my citrus. And today is harvest day. Oh man. I'm gonna harvest some of my citrus. Let's get this party started, I reckon. Y'all may hear some noises in the background. I think one of my neighbors may be doing some repairs. Everybody's still trying to get back right from the hurricane that come up here. I've been hunting my snippers and I ain't got my snippers, so I have to do it the old-fashioned way, I reckon. Turn them off. And this right here is that's a ruby, a ray, a grapefruit ruby ray. As y'all see, that baby right there pretty big, about big as my hand. I had two on the tree. I had much more blooms on there, but you know, bad weather and all that good stuff. Darn spiders, I tell you the truth. And yellow jackets too. What the? I have to get out here and do some spraying. But this right here is I reckon I need to put the camera on there. Satsuma. And let's see what kind it is. That's the Kimburo Satsuma. That's the Kimburo Satsuma here. Like I said a few minutes ago, y'all, excuse the noise. I ain't got efficient enough to learn how to play some background music here and drown out the noise or whatever, sounds and all that other good stuff. This right here is my kumquats. Oh, that's my harvest so far. Got two ruby ray grapefruit, two satsuma, and one of them my meat was down yonder. Got some more kumquats. I'm doing it the old-fashioned way because I don't know where I dump my darn snippers. I'm sure I'll find them when I don't need them. They're probably out here laying around in one of these containers. I just don't see it. That's why I like to get bright colors for the grip. Hope everybody is having a wonderful day. This baby hen on split it, but as y'all, I don't know if y'all see it or not. Why y'all didn't tell me I missed one. One right in my face down here and I didn't even see it. That's a good thing about this citrus. When it start turning colors, you I'm about to get out here. Spray for these eczema limes here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Y'all know they ready when they falling off the tree. One down yonder. I promise y'all I'm gonna get my gimbal one day out here. I got a gimbal, but I rarely use it. These the Mexican key limes. I like to put mine in, cut them up and put them in water. Get some of that added extra flavor in there. I got one right in the middle down yonder. Y'all see it down there? Thought this video was gonna be short, but I didn't realize uh-oh. I should have brought my bigger basket out here to harvest. Be careful with these key limes, because this one ain't thornless. This baby got some stickers on it. Oh, shit. I'm dropping them all over the place. I'm sorry if I'm shaking y'all to death. I'm trying not to tear this tree up, but I ain't gonna be too delicate with these jokers because it's got thorns on now. The more I turn, the more I'm prone to get cut up. These darn ants think they done find them a new home, but I got news for them. They done found a new home, all right. Let's see. Those more kumquats there that need to be wrapping up before I get them off. If you ain't careful, I'll get my staking up. Them kumquats there. And those limes there. But the lime, I got to stake it up because it's want to hang out with the kumquats. I need my reachers out here so I can get that lime down yonder. I'm one that don't want to waste nothing, y'all. But the splitting got me, y'all. The splitting has got me. I just said I wasn't one to want to waste nothing, but I just waste my time reaching down there getting that because the split is wide open. Should have brought my bigger basket out here. And I ain't gonna pick all these limes right now. I'll let some of them hang out a little longer. Oh! There's still plenty up there, plenty of limes and plenty more kumquats. If I pick them all now, I'm gonna probably want to eat them all now. So, that's my citrus here. And I'll tell y'all what, when they green, it's hard to see them. It is hard to see them when they green. Look at that there. Look at these lemons here. Those babies look so good right there. But like I was saying, it's hard to spot them out when they're green. That's a good camouflage they got. I got one more right here. Oh, let's see. I just feel like a satsuma. And it don't hurt you to pick them when they green and getting ready to turn, because to me, they just as good, if not better. So if you wait till they get too orange and too ripe out here, they might dry out if you don't get them quick enough. What it? That one come off from down yonder. I think this is a satsuma here. What is that? Yeah, that's the old warrior down yonder. Y'all see any more that I might have missed? Anybody see any more I might have missed down yonder? That's a satsuma. This is my harvest so far though. And I tell y'all what, I like growing citrus because they're pretty resilient, especially in this Georgia heat. In the summertime, some of them look kind of rough, and you know they just need you to keep them watered maybe once or twice a week when it's hot like it is. Look at all these young ones coming up. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Let's see. Where did it go? I can't find it on the camera now. Oh, there it is right there. But I got plenty more